She has had a huge part in even translating a lot of the curriculum for us, that she couldn't find a curriculum that she felt was strong enough for her students, so she just translated it or wrote it herself. During that time, she did get sick. She's been sick a couple of times and had to have chemo, and boy, would go to an appointment and then be here the next day.
Very inspiring to me. It just speaks volumes to the depth of her faith and who she is.
¿Quiénes pueden ir? Me tienes que decir, los estudiantes.
She really loved my kids, and even when they really struggled.
It doesn't matter where you're at in the day or where you're at in your life, she values you. And that makes her amazing and a superhero. And not only that, she's really good at what she does. So she's the real deal. A pleasure to know her.